In today's video, I'll show you how you can make pop-up text effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first, let's make our text. So I'm just going to type in sample. And now I would want to align it in the center. And now that it's done, you want to now make changes to your text here in the essential graphics. If you have this, if you don't have that, you can go into window and make sure you check essential graphics. And now once you're satisfied with the design, you want to now go click or select your text in here in the timeline, go into effect controls, and then you would want to go for scale. You want to keyframe this, but first make sure your playhead is at the beginning. Now, you would want to keyframe your text right here at the beginning. So click here on keyframe and then make sure to make the value of the scale into 0. And now move one frame. And then this time you would want to make it into 120 and then go into one frame again. So right arrow key. And then this time you want to make it 90 and then right arrow key again to make it 100. And now we will have this effect right there. And that's it. And then next is that you can now cut the length of the text right here depending on how long you'd want it to be, but the minimum is here in the latest keyframe. You can't cut any lower than this. So let's say I want to cut it somewhere in here, and there it is. So now it has been cut. So we will now have that. And now basically you can just duplicate that. And then you can now just change the word right here or phrase. You could also put a sentence if you want. So I'm going to go for sample text right there. And then when we play it, we will now have that, but it's too quick. So we would have to adjust the length right there. So maybe something like this. So now we would have this effect, simple text or a sample text right there. So now we have that bounce effect that we need. I'm going to make it centered and add another one right here. And we're going to say tutorial. So this is it. And now here is the result. So this is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.